Hi there, everyone. Welcome back to Speak Fluent English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're talking about something essential for speaking English fluently, the articles, a, and the.
That's right, Emma. Articles can seem a bit tricky at first, but once you understand the rules, they'll become a natural part of your English sentences.
So, if you're ready to learn how to use a, and the with confidence, let's get started.
To start, let's explain what articles are. Articles are small words that come before nouns. They help us understand if we're talking about something specific or more general.
Exactly, Alex. There are two types of articles in English, definite and indefinite.
Right. The word that is called a definite article, while ein and an are indefinite articles.
And that's because the refers to something specific, and a of or and refer to something more general.
Let's start with ein and an. These are called indefinite articles because they don't refer to a specific item.
So when we use age or been, we're usually talking about something that isn't unique or isn't already known to the listener.
That's right, Emma. Now, here's how to decide between ein and an. We use ate before words that start with a consonant sound, like a car or a book.
And we use and before words that start with a vowel sound, like an apple or an elephant.
Let's do some examples together. Emma, how would you use ate in a sentence?
How about, I have a dog. Here, dog starts with a consonant sound, so we say a dog.
Exactly. Now let's try an. How would you say I saw owl?
I'd say, I saw an owl. Because owl begins with a vowel sound, we use an.
Perfect. And just to clarify, it's the sound that matters, not just the letter. For instance, we say an hour because the H in hour is silent, making it sound like it begins with a vowel sound.
Some words can be confusing. For example, a university. Why do we say a here and not an?
Good question, Emma. The word university begins with a U, which sounds like U, a consonant sound. So we say a university, not an university.
I see. So even though it starts with U, the sound is what really matters.
Exactly. Some words might start with vowels but actually have a consonant sound, like a European country or a unique idea.
Now let's talk about the, which is called the definite article.
Great idea, Emma. That is used when we're talking about something specific, something the listener already knows about or that is unique.
For example, if I say, the sun is shining, I'm talking about one specific sun, the one we all know about.
That's right. Another example is, I read the book you recommended. Here, the book refers to a specific book that you mentioned before. We often use the with things that are one of a kind, like the moon, the earth, or the President of the United States.
Oh, and we also use the with things when both the speaker and listener know what's being discussed, like the bathroom, the car, or the hotel. Sometimes beginners forget to use articles or use the wrong one. Let's go over some common mistakes.
Good idea. One common mistake is using the before general things. For instance, we say, I love cats, not I love the cats, unless we're talking about specific cats.
And we shouldn't say, I want to be an engineer as I want to be the engineer, unless we're talking about a specific job. There are also a few exceptions and variations. For example, in British English, people often say, at university, while in American English, we say, at the university.
That's a good point. Some phrases just don't use articles like go to bed, at home, or in prison. So there you have it. Now you know when to use a, an, and the.
We hope this clears things up. Just remember, age and an are for general things, and the is for something specific.
Keep practicing and soon, articles will feel natural in your English conversations.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Speak Fluent English. See you next time.